Okay, function of a function. Okay, that is what we'll be treating today. For example, let's say you have y to be equal to, let's say x plus 2 raised to power 3, for example. Y equal to what? X plus 2 raised to power what? Raised to power 3. Now, you now have this y inside the bracket. Okay? You let it be what? U to be equal to what? X plus 2. Do you understand? This one inside the bracket, you will let it be what? U equal to this. Equal to what? X plus 2. So you now substitute this u, which is equal to u, substitute it here. You have what? Y to be equal to what? U raised to power what now? 3. Are you getting this down? You have substituted u to be equal to what? X plus 2. Okay? Now, this u now, you use to replace this x plus 2. You now have what? U raised to power 3. Okay? Now, what you will now do is, let me write this one. Y equal to what? U raised to power 3. What you will now do is this. You will differentiate this u in respect to x. You also differentiate this y in respect to u. Now let's differentiate this one. The u all over what? The x is now equal to what? If you want to differentiate this one, what will it be? You know, here you have 1. I told you use this 1 to multiply here. Okay, what will it now be to be what? 1 times 1, that's 1. You now have x raised by what? 1 minus 1. Plus what now? Differentiation of 2 is what? 0. I told you whenever you are differentiating any constant numbers, it is usually 0. So at the end of the day, you have x. X raised by 1 minus 1 is what? X raised by 0. Plus what? 0. X raised by 0 is what? 1. That means the u dx is what? Is 1. Now, what will differentiation of y in respect to u become? That means this one become what? Dy all over what? Du. Du equal to what? This 3 will come and multiply coefficient here. Here you have what? 3u raised to power what? Minus 1 from this one. 3 minus 1. Which will now become 3u raised to power what? 2. Raised to power what? Raised to power 2. Now, so dy du is what? 3u squared. Now, the formula for function of a function, which we also call chain rule. Okay, this is the formula. Dy divided by what? Dx is equal to what? Dy all over what? Du multiplied by what? Du all over what? Dx. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Are you getting what I'm saying now? You can first bring du over dx, then multiply by what? Dy over du. Okay? You can arrange it anyhow you like. You can bring this one first, then this one second. Or this one first and the other one. Okay? Now, you will now put what is dy du? This one. What is dy du? You have what? 3u squared. You put it. 3u squared. Multiply by what is du dx? Du over dx is what? 1. Multiply by 1. It will now be 3u squared multiplied by 1. It will now give you 3u squared. Are you getting it now? At the end of the day, this u now, you know, you have found what? Dy dx, which is equal to what? 3u squared. Which is now equal to 3. Your u from the beginning is what? X plus 2. Then you come here and put it. X plus 2 raised to power what? Raised to power 2. This is now the final answer. Dy dx is now equal to what? 3 into x plus 2 raised to power what? Raised to power 2. Now, y equal to what? Let's say you have 2x raised to power 3 plus 2. Everything raised to power what? 3, for example. You are now to what? Differentiate this. Okay, what will you say first? This one that is inside the bracket. You say let it be what? U is now equal to what? So x raised to power 3 plus 2. So what will your y now be? Your y will now be equal to what? U raised to power what? Raised to power 3. I have replaced this one with what? With u. Are we getting it? So at the end of the day, what you have is you differentiate this one now. You also differentiate this one. So if you are differentiating this one, it means du all over what? Dx, which is equal to what? 3 times 2. 6x. By the time you do 3 minus 1, it will give you what? 2. Do you understand?
0.
Plus diffraction of 2 is what? It's 0. Here we give you what? 0. Then this one now, what will it give you? dy all over what? du. We give you what? 3 times u. That's 3u raised to what? Raised to power 2. Are we getting it now? So you now use the formula for chain rule, which is what? Dy all over dx, which is equal to what? Dy all over du multiplied by what? Du all over dx. So this formula is very, very important. So you have to know it. So which is now equal to what? What is dy du? Dy du is the same thing as what? 3u squared multiplied by du dx is what? 6x squared, right? 6x squared. Because 6x squared plus 0 will give you 6x squared. Now you now multiply the two together. 3 times 6, that is what? 18, right? 18x squared multiplied by what? U squared. Are you getting it? So at the end of the day you have 18x squared into, what's your u?
2.
Your u is what? 2x raised to power 3 plus 2. That is what? 2x raised to power 3 plus what? Plus 2. But don't forget, this one has 2 on top. On top of u, this is u, and this there is 2. Then you put the what? You put the 2 here. Then the final answer is now what? 18x squared into bracket what? 2x raised to power 2, 2x raised to power 3 plus what? 2, all of square. This is now our final answer. Y equal to what? Y equal to what? Square root of what? 1 minus what? 2x raised to power 3. You see this square root is still the same thing as y equal to what? 1 minus 2x raised to power 3 raised to power what? 1 over 2. This square root. Okay? Now, what you will now do is, you see this one in the bracket, you say let it be what? U. Your u will now be equal to what? 1 minus 2x raised to power what? Raised to power 3. So definitely your y will now be equal to what? U raised to power what?
Half.
Half. So you differentiate this, you differentiate this. So if you differentiate, what do you have? Du all over what? Dx is now equal to differentiation of 1 will give you what? It's a constant number. Anytime you are differentiating constant number, it will give you 0. Do you understand? This one is a constant number. So you are not differentiating this one. It will give you what? 0. So here you have what? 0, then minus. If you are differentiating this one, this 3, you multiply this 2, then itself, you minus 1 from it. So what it will now become is 3 times 2. That is what? 6. X raised to power what? 3 minus 1, which is what? 2. So at the end of the day, it will now give you 0 minus 6x squared. It will give you what? Minus 6x squared. Now, it is not left for us now to differentiate y in respect to u. What will it now become? To become what? Dy all over what? Du, which is equal to what? Half u raised to power what? Half minus what? Minus 1, right? I know I told you this half, you will use it to multiply the coefficient. Okay? And the coefficient here is what? 1. That's why it become half times u raised to power what? Half minus what? Minus 1. So at the end of the day, it will now become half u raised to power half minus 1 will give you what? It will give minus half. Minus what? Minus half. Okay?
Yes.
Then after that now, okay, the general formula for function of a function, okay, which we call chain rule, is equal to what? Dy dx, which is equal to what? Dy all over what? Du multiplied by what? Du all over what? All over dx. Which is now equal to, now let's substitute for dy du. Dy du that we solved was what? Half u raised by what? Minus half, right? Multiplied by, what is your du over dx? Your du over dx is what? Minus 6x squared. Okay, do you understand? Are we getting it? Stop. What this thing will become now is what? Minus what? If you multiply, okay, before we do that, 2 in 2, 1, 2 in 6, that's what? 3. Then you now have 3 times 1. What will it give you? Don't forget this minus 1. Minus what? 3x squared. Then u raised to power what? Minus 1 over 2. Eh? Which is now equal to, if you substitute for u, what's our u here? That is what? Minus what? 3x squared. Okay, into bracket. What's your u? Your u is what? 1 minus 2x raised to power 3, right? It will not be what? 1 minus 2x raised to power 3. Everything raised to power what?
Minus half.
Minus half. Minus half. So you can either leave your answer in this form or you go ahead and eliminate this minus. How will you do that? Okay, let's come up here. Then it means our dy all over dx is now equal to what? What's the final answer here? You have what? Minus 3x squared. Between this minus 3x squared and this one, there is multiplication in between them. That means multiply by what? 1 minus 2x raised to power 3. Everything raised to power what? Minus 1 over 2. You understand? Okay? Then up here we have minus 3x squared multiplied by. You see this minus? It will change to 1 all over under mathematics. Okay? This one now, it will come down and become 1 minus 2x raised to power 3 raised to power whatever that is now here. Raised to power what? Half. Are we together? Are you getting it? Are you sure you are getting it? Okay? So at the end of the day, this one now, minus 3x squared times 1, it will give you what? Minus 3x squared divided by, you see this square root? I mean, this half is still the same thing as what? Square root of what? Of 1 minus 2x raised to power what? Raised to power 3. So this cannot be our final answer. The y all over what? The x is now equal to this. Y equal to what? 5 divided by what? 6 minus what? X squared raised to power what? Raised to power 3. Okay? Are we following? You see this one that is down? Eh? You say that it be what? U to be equal to what? 6 minus what? X squared. Okay? Your y will now be what? Y equal to what? 5 divided by what? U raised to power what? 3. Eh? U raised to power what? 3. Now, you will now differentiate this one back. Eh? Which is what? Du all over what? Dx. Which is equal to what? Differentiation of 6 will give you what? 0. Okay? 0 minus what? X squared. This 2 come here. It's now turn to what? Minus 2x raised to power what? 1. Because you have done 2 minus 1. You differentiate this one too, which is what? Y back. How will you do? You do dy all over what? All over what? Du. Okay, which is now equal to. But before you, okay, wait, sorry. Before you differentiate, this particular one is still the same thing as 5 times 1 over what? U raised to power what? 3. Right? 5 times 1, it will still give you back 5 over x. So at the end of the day, it will be what? 5 times. You see this 1 over u raised to power 3 is still the same thing as u raised to power what? Minus 3. Right? Eh? Do you understand the reason? Eh? So 5 times u raised to power minus 3 to give you what? 5u raised to power what? Raised to power minus 3. Raised to power what? Raised to power minus 3. Now, after this now, okay, you now use your formula for chain rule, which is what? Dy all over what? Dx, which is equal to what? Dy all over what? Du. Multiply by what? Du all over what? Dx. So, this is still what? Y equal to this bar. And we have not differentiated it, right? We have only rearranged it. Then what do you now do? You do dy all over what? Du, which is now equal to. Now, if you now want to differentiate, this minus 3 now, we come and multiply this one back. The whole. So this now be what? Minus 3 times 5. What will it come to? Minus 15. U raised to power what? Minus 3 plus 1. You know, minus 3 minus 1. It will now be what? Minus what? Minus 5. Are you getting it now? So we have differentiated y in respect to z. u. And we have differentiated what? U in respect to x. Now the next thing now that we are going to do now is to what? Is to use the formula. Okay, the formula for function of the function is what? The y over the n is equal to what? The y over the u multiplied by what? The u over what? The x. Which is now equal to, what's the dy du? The y du is this. Listen up first. The y du is what? This. Which is what? Minus 15u raised to power what? Minus 4 times. What is your du dx? The u dx is what? Minus 2x. Then you have what? Minus 2x. Then if you multiply them, what do you have? Minus times minus. It will give you what? Plus. 15 times 2 will give you what? 30. It will not give you 30 what? X. U raised by what? Minus 4. Then you substitute for what? U. Which will now be what? 30x into brackets. What's your u? Your u is what? 6 minus what? X squared. Everything is for what? Minus 4. Okay? I told you can leave your answer like this, or you remove this minus, or eliminate that minus. So if you want to eliminate the minus, you have it with what? 30x. I told you between this and this is what? Multiplicate, which is now what? 6 minus x squared raised by what? Minus 4. So which is now what? 30x multiplied by, you see this minus? I told you to change to what? 1 over. The whole of this, the way you have the minus on top, you now be what? 6 minus what? X squared. Everything now is by what? 4. At the end of the day now, if you multiply this 30x with 1, what will it give you? 30x times 1, it will give you what? 30x. Divided by what? 6 minus what? X squared. Raised by what? 4. Now we have found what? The y all over what? Over the x, which is equal to what? 30x over what? 6 minus x squared. Everything raised by what? 4.